Hello friends, welcome back. I am Achintya Hazra. Today why don't we make a painting on the bull? It is a very fun photograph and we had a lot of fun while making it too. Let's us all see how it was made. And see, this is a watercolor pencil, which is the pencil line gets washed away with water. The pencil is of German and its brand name is Pelican Aquarella. So let's start. I draw from the free mind. Okay. Initially, structure like this have to be given in any drawing, and then slowly you proceed it towards the detail. The horns on the head of the bull are the ones I have to take care of while painting the water. In this way, you complete the drawing. And such paintings where the soil blows is very difficult work in the air. Let the watercolor compile them. Let's see how much we can do. Let's start the watercolor, and I am using Bansiana raw umber and French ultramarine. Cobalt blue, I'm applying color based on the color, feeling that I am experimenting from reference photos. The paper is wet now and I will use more color. You can see this color is French ultramarine and scarlet lake and Banciana. The paper is well wet now, so if you add color it will spread well. And very important, the reference photo should look good, and from there we will get a lot of answer. Using different colors has a very nice effect. When you are painting, you need to have a lot of desire in your mind and be very careful about it, and keep in mind that I will make it very beautiful. This time I will try to well because I will color it in the background. In our head, it is important to keep in mind how much color should be used, for which the picture emerges better and we can understand the part far and near. I am here. I will water well. because so that color spreads in a very sweet way. And this is Naples yellow and orange. Naples yellow brand is Camel Artist Watercolor and orange brand is Mission Gold, Mijello Mission Gold. Be careful the horns. I am using little dark. Color is same, Naples yellow and orange. And this way I will cover the bottom with paint. And water drop for moody activity. By spraying, I want to spread the color downwards. You can see the beautiful effect. Here I will add a little more color to the background to highlight the horns of the bull. I hope you understand. I am trying here to see how a little better effect can be seen here. Painting does not matter, but it is important to have a good effort. It is very important to have you enjoyment together. Here I am trying to show the shadows of the back of the bull with some dry stroke. Color Bansian French ultramarine. The share of water in the dry strokes will be less. Okay, thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Now complete my painting. I hope you all like it. And with that, I hope to like and subscribe. Come on. Tata. Take care. Bye bye.